The scanners which we have installed in many of the main entry points, which are helping to scan the cargo, especially where people were under declaring, where people were hiding things under their vehicles, where people were hiding things which could be dangerous to the country. Now at least these scanners have not only helped on the aspect of security, but I am told it has helped URA to increase its revenue by almost 50 billion. Some of you want to eat akagwirawo, ufunirawa. I am now telling you that soon we are seeing whatever is going on here now from Kampala, and we are going to bring more cameras and we are going to bring more lighting. So we are watching you. There is a song which says, we are watching you, seeing all you do, hearing all that you say. Now, let us not be embarrassed by putting you on the screen when you are doing what you know to do best.